Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is week 6 between Portland Steel and Mogadishu Elephants. As we will see how both teams unfold, this will be a close game, as I will call. And it is Smoke with Zeus with the first miss of the day. That was a bit under pressure from that one too. There's off a mark. Portland hasn't won a game yet. They are 0-5 at this point. And as fortunate enough for the Elephants, they are 2-3. That was a bit of it between passes. It's actually UCF. He's going to line himself up to put on the board for Portland Steel. Great start. Big opening for Portland. Oh, look at this. Smoke with Zeus. He's a former junior captain, as I recall. He hands it off to XNJ. And a low shot has really blown him off. What is this? What's gone to the Elephants lately so far? Gotta be wary of a hand switch too. That is if he wants to, though. Oh! A steal from feed. Just went right at him. And there's gotta be another steal, and this time it's Little JP, also known as Little Man JP. Can he make the shot? Keep forgetting who that was, but I think that's Solo Q-Boy. There you go. Returning from a month. Obviously taking a big break, but now he's back with Portland. 2-0 up on the board for Portland Steel. They might be looking for their first win if they could possibly beat them, as the playoffs hunt is still hurting them, and Smoke with Zeus finally gets one this time. Nobody is even guarding him, just guard him up. So this settles out, good handoff from Marcel to Solo Q-Boy. And that's a very, very low shot, and there was a first miss on the board for Portland. And this deal has been picked up by Incognito. He might give it a feed, though. And that's well fitted in. There he goes. And now the game is tied up. Could expect for these two to be getting close, as we will settle things in. But who knows? We will see this unfolds the whole game. Marcel gives a handoff to Little Man JP. And that's a good pass to Solo Q-Boy, formerly known as Solo Q-Man. He is now a boy. And that's his second goal for the game. Couldn't even remember this if this is Ryan's first game playing for Portland. Oh no, that's his second game. He's already been playing in the 4th game of the era. Finds X-Men J, 2 people on him. They gotta be looking for feed. He decides to go for it, and there you have it. Bit of a mixed defense from Portland. They're not just tracking him well lately. Take it tough. You have to get on him, though. Oh, steal from Smoke with Zeus. There you have it. Going to mix around him. He might go for it again. And he does get it again. There it is. Settle things in now. And this time, the Elephants hit the lead. This will be the 10th steal for feed at this point. Looking to become defender of the era. 2 people tracking him. Nobody can stop UCF. Top key shooter for the steal. Well, there you have it. Stage is set now for both of them. It's a bit overthrown. Sees XNJ. Beating up Solo Q-Boy is way open up. And there you have it. Bit of a overweight mark for that one though. Sees little man JP against XNJ. He's not going to go for it, but he give it a pass to Marcel. Oh, no way! You ain't shitting me, dude. Come on. It's overthrown, but it will be another steal. Oh my god. What is happening here? There will be another interception. Well, I should say steal. Give it to Solo Q-Boy. That pass was too low, but they're going defensive zone for Elephants, but the UCF has taken it. He might go for it, but he missed! You got Ryan open, what are you doing? Oh my goodness me. Yeah, the hitbox changed, man. It's just what it is. It's completely different. Get on to Zeus. He might go again. He does. They can't even guard him. Just get onto him. Confetti amount is still is the lowest scoring game. Quick pass to Solo Q-Boy. He may be thinking about it. He does think about it. Barely hangs it in there on the ring. There you have it. Bit of applies there. They gotta go to him. Oh, nobody can't. Get onto him. Jeez. Defense really sucks for Portland. I don't know what they are playing for, but they're letting him going up and for scoring opportunities, which they do. Little man JP has it. Mixing around feed. He's back. Little man JP is back. Hasn't been played for a very long time, but he's there. Looks like two people are going on him now. He might still shoot. Nah, the pass was overthrown. Where to, is what I would ask. But can Portland hit back to get this one? Oh no. Oh, I thought that was underthrown, but... Come on, Ryan. Shoot it, Ryan. He does! He gets it! Yoo-hoo! There it is. And now the game is tied. But as it turns out, that every play that Elephants will hit back. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Nah. Nah. Get off. Off. You ain't even worth it. Get back to the Vipers, for God's sakes. Even though they don't want him, honestly, because that stupid kid, former Vipers team captain, just dipped. No spirit whatsoever. And they led Little Man JP open to hit Portland back in front. I love this. Oh, look at this. Oh, no. He passes to feed this time. Against UCF. What does he have in mind? There's people scrambling up, but good screens. From Smoke with Zeus. And then heats feed the score. 4-3-1 for Smoke. Jesus Christ. They've been scrambling up. Look at this. Is Marcel going to pass? Oh no, he's going to shoot. But he does get there. There you go. It's been a long time since last did it. Still there. Closing in the first half. They're gonna let him up. They will gonna let him up. Oh, no, he's not. He's backtracked, but... Can Fee get there? Yes, he will. Gotta get onto him there, but... It's wide open. 1 minute mark for this half. Low score contest between these two. Bit of a scrappy game going on, I would say. Right as I said it. Little man JP passes to UCF. Has plenty of it in mind. And his name is UCF. Of 223 starts. The number one shooter of the team is Portland Steel. It's gotta go. Passing opportunity could to feed again. He's gone in. Oh my! Went straight to Little Man JP. And name my time wasting here. Look at this. Can give it to solo cue boy. There you go. Let the time tick down. Get up in front and there you go. 11-9 is reverse rack. Can Smoke with Zeus going for it? For the buzzer beater? That's way too high. And that it is the first half. We will see you in the second half. Alright, second half underway. It is Portland starting off their possession in the second half. What will he do? UCF. There you go. Opens up. Oh, I thought he was going to get pushed, but not close enough. But there you have it. Portland leads by 3. Just making sure that this is going to happen there. So Smoker Zeus decides to go for it, and he missed again. And so JP gets the steal, feeds it to Marcel, and he's got UCF. Is it gonna be tight? No, it's not. A big interception. Oh, I thought he was gonna be missed past that one, but he sees Smoke with Zeus. 2 opponents against him. Oh, he's opened up now. Oh, come on! Come on! Smoke with Zeus has to stop shooting. He is so stupid. But anyway, Ryan, go for it. There you have it. And it's now 4-point lead to the Steel. Oh, it's gonna be locked up. Yeah. So he passes to feed. Possibly a feed isolation on him. Oh my. Okay. Alrighty then. 4 goals for 4 players. Jeez. With 2 players of each team has 4 goals. Marcel is getting locked up. He's got to be careful about this. Oh, that's a dime. Big dime to UCF. Feed got cooked. So UCF. It's tighter. There it is. Can't even lock UCF. That's who he is. Oh, he's might. Nah, he's got to pass. Feed it to XNJ. And he will take it from there. There you have it. Bit of a blink there. By surprise. Let's see how this unfolds. To get one of them, he will give it to Littleman JP. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Who's got to get the ball first? It's JP. Oh no, the hand switch mode is completed! There's a hand switch shot. Woohoo! The Steel are possibly going to look for their first win of the season. So, Smoker Zeus feeds to feed. Pfft. And he gets another one. Just lock feet, team. Get on him. Jeez. Oh, God. Oh, but carries it in for Little Man JP. He was still looking to pass. Very good move. And there you have it. Here's Ryan. Go for it, Ryan. Oh, I nearly missed it, but there it is. That's his 100% shooting game. He's looking to pass still. Oh my. Oh. Oh, look at that. Oh my God. They gotta give Freedom more opportunities though, which they will. And there's Ryan. Take it in again. Oh no, he's passing. Thought he would do it, but never mind. 3 people, get on him. Can't get on him. Get out of there. Another one for Steel. There it is. Doesn't matter anyway. You still gotta give it to him. Oh no, he's not. It's gone incognito. Open. Which they will. Let's see how this settles out. What? Hall of Fame for what? Huh? God. I can't believe this. Who is he? But anyway, Little Man JP still gets it there. I didn't even remember that. Yeah, he's on mobile. I didn't look device. Oh my. Overthrown. Oh my God, what is going on? Looks like Portland did it. For now. It's only just 4 minutes left, so. Portland will get their first win of the era. So, Solo Q-Boy gets another one. Looking good. Here it is. Okay. So Incog. Getting under pressure now for his mobile play. Yeah. Of course. Silent Guard only 1 steal. And Incog 2 assists and 2 steals. And then you give it to Little Man JP. Oh, there you go. Gets another one. There you have it. Looks like he's gonna go for shoot. And still missing. Yeah. 10-point defeat. Oh, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna stop typing. Because I really hate the hashtags. But anyways, Little Man JP has scored another 7 goals, 3 assists, and 4 steals. MVP style for that one there. So, Smoker Zeus. He goes for the pass. To look for Silent, and it's gonna be stolen by UCF. Feed it to Ryan, please. And he will get another one. Thank you very much. There you have it. 9-goal deficit. Holy shit. I really thought that this game was going to be close, but the Elephants suck. So it matters. You ain't heading off. Ain't heading off to him? Bruh, yeah. That's why you didn't head off to X and J. Oh, he's got to get... Oh, no, he's not. Out of a trap. But he still gets a pushes. Oh, damn, he's thinking about it. Okay. There's another one. We're about to close in the final minutes for the game. And this time it's, oh my, oh dear. Been stolen by Smoker Zeus. It's not going to be a 10-point deficit. But it's going to be a 7 points deficit for now. And then let him score 8. Fuck my life. Fuck him. We're about to see the Port Steel first win of the era. So Marcel. And he gets locked up by Smoker Zeus again. And he decides to go for it. But it's illegal. They're still winning though. Locked to loaded. Here we go. What will he do? Bad tracking. Feeds to UCF. He's got to go for this one for himself. Oh my. Oh no. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Whew. Lucky. No, what? I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Anyway, we're about to end the game. He still has it though, there it is. And the Steel gets their first win of the season. 22-17, GG to both teams. We'll see you next era.